determine the union of two sets using Venn diagrams and set notation. Y'all, we're getting into the fun part of unions. So a union is a set containing elements in A or B. Keyword here, or. So the notation for this is A or B. So it kind of looks like a U. This right here means or, and that's how you would read this, A or B. Now this means that X is an element of A or B if and only if X is an element of A or X is an element of B. So this is using some mathematics notation here where this sideways E thing means element of, right? So X is just an element in either A or B, then it exists in the notation of A or B. And that should totally make sense logically. So let's consider set A that exists with 4 elements, M, N, O, and P. And B has 4 elements, D, P, Q, and R. Find A or B. So when you're thinking about A or B, it's literally anything that exists in either one of these. So A or B is the set of, well, let's think about this. I'm going to have everything in A, so I just rewrote those. And then when I go to B, I would have D, well, I already have P written down, Q, and R. So we don't need to list P twice. We only need to list it once, but we have all 7 of those. So you can notice that there are 7 elements in A or B. That's all it means. We're just kind of mushing everything together. Consider the set A of 2, 4, 6, 8, and 10, and then set B 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Find A or B by drawing a Venn diagram. Now, one thing that I like to do, I think Venn diagrams are very helpful because it gives you a nice visual. So I have A over here and I have B over here. I like first when I'm drawing a Venn diagram to worry about the shared space. What elements exist in both sets? So as I look here, I'll notice that 4, 6, and 8 exist in both. So 4, 6, and 8 is what goes in that middle shared space. Now in A, what have I not dealt with? Well, 2 and 10. In B, what have I not dealt with? 5 and 7. So once I have my Venn diagram done, right, here's my U, now I can say, okay, so A or B is just everything in my Venn diagram. So if I want to put them in order to least to greatest, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10. I just make sure that I have all 7 numbers. And that is playing with union sets and Venn diagrams.